message. Dummies, have you seen birds? Yes. Do you like birds? Yes, sister. So today I would like to give you a bird. But the bird that I am going to give you do not have wings. The bird without wings. But this bird, if you follow this bird, I am sure this bird will help you to find success and happiness in your life. Right? Can you tell me the spelling of the word bird? Very smart. B-I-R-D. Very good. So I would like to give you my message today using every letter of this bird, giving the expansion of this bird. What's the first letter? B. They understand English so well, so they are kids, I'm so happy. B. B stands for believe in God and believe in yourself. Believe in God and believe in yourself. Dear teachers and students, if you give priority for God in your life, if you trust in God, as soon as you get up, offer yourself to God, before you study, before you do anything, have a deep trust and surrender yourself to God, God will have control over your life. You will be able to achieve anything in life. So believe in God and believe in yourself. You should believe in yourself because you have a lot of capacities. I have witnessed that, and more than that you have. You have a lot of abilities. You have a lot of talents. You should believe in yourself and say to yourself that you can and you will. And this self-belief will take you. Believe in God and believe in yourself. What's the second letter? I. I stands for inspire others. Inspire others. And they performed a very good story enacting here. What did they do? They brought one light, and that was an inspiration for others to bring that candle. They all studied well. They were so happy, right? So all of us are able to inspire others. We have to inspire others through our compassion, through our generosity, through our kindness, through our helping mentality, and we have to inspire others by our encouragement, by our positive attitude, and each one of us should become an inspiration for others. Let's inspire others by our very smile. When you enter the campus, when you look at each one and smile, automatically that smile will radiate to others, right? And even if you have a lot of trouble in your heart, when you enter, if the principal, administrator smile at you, the correspondent or sister smile at you, you will have a glorious day, right? You will be so happy in the morning, like that, when you smile at others. So let your life be an inspiration for others. And when we meet a person, when we talk, when we do anything, that should create an inspiration in others. That should create a positive impact in others. That's what I inspire others. What's the next letter? R. R stands for reach for excellence. Tell me, reach for excellence. So anything that you do, aim at excellence. See, teachers, when you teach a dance, when you teach letters, when you teach rhymes, anything that you do, reach for excellence. You see that there should be an excellence in that. The students do, when you study, when you write the examination, always aim high and reach that excellence. Anything, even if you cook at home, you see that you should become an excellent dish to serve to others, to your family members. So anything that you do, that aim that excellence and reach for excellence. And what's the next letter? D. D stands for dare to dream or dream big. Dream big. As a teacher, as sisters, as students, we should dream big. We should have a high dream always. And students, you are now from first standard to fifth standard, students are sitting here. You should have a dream in your life to become an engineer, to become a doctor, become an IAS officer, to become prime minister. So yeah, become a teacher, anything. Once you dream, I'm sure that will become a reality in life. So dream big and dare to dream. Don't have that fear in your life. I the students have a lot of confidence without fear. So this system will help you to dream and to become a great personality. So my beloved staff, sisters and students, I give you this message on this new year, and I give you this word to become a great personality in your life, to fly high in your life. So wish you all the best. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude to the management, to the sisters, staff and students for your warm and